Hi, baby.
Hi, Oliver. Are you running? You having a good time?
It's cold today, so Mommy dressed you in warm clothes. Hi! He's starting to make some sounds. Are you going to say something for us?
Hello, Oliver. Hello, Oliver. Hello, Daddy. Yeah. That's his only word.
Today he is 5 weeks, 2 days old. Yeah, I'm running! Almost time to eat. Bless you. Bless you. Hi. Oh.
Camera downstairs.
Yeah. Okay. See you later.